Well, it's 2026. It's a new era for V8 supercars with a new manufacturer, and one team's moved from one manufacturer to another. It's time to get into 2026. Hi collectors, it's William from Authentic Collectibles here, and we've got our first unboxing of 2026. And it's a fairly special one. We've got our first Red Bull Ampol Racing Mustangs, and we're about to unbox them just for you. So the Australian motorsport public got a bit of a shock early last year when 888 Race Engineering announced that they were jumping ship from one manufacturer to Ford. So it was a prime opportunity for us. We went straight to our factory, we got them to knock out a sample very, very quickly, and the first place I knocked on the door of was 888. We showed them the model, and now 12 months later, you can get that exact same model in your hands from this week. So you would have seen on our website, we announced both the 1/18th and the 1/43rd. They will both go on sale this Thursday, the 29th of January at 10 a.m. Western Australian time. So we're based in Perth. So you East Coasters, it'll be in the afternoon for you, but in Perth, 10 a.m. There's 888 of the 1/18th and 288 of the 1/43rd. So you can get them from our website on Thursday, or you can also go into your local stockist. Our stockists have been allocated plenty of these, so you'll be able to go in, order them there, or as I say, get them on our website from 10 a.m. Perth time. So given this is our first model for 888 and Red Bull Ampol Racing, some collectors may not have even seen authentic product. We certainly hope you have, but if you haven't, they're opening part models for our 1/18ths. Full detail, as I say, full opening parts. With our 1/43rd, they're sealed body, but they still have their full interiors. We have obviously the certificate that comes with our 1/18ths. They're all individually numbered. And with our 1/43rds, the certificate is the backing board, so you can take that out, get that signed by Will or Broc. Stunning detail in these ones. The matte paint finish looks amazing. So really happy with how these have come up. Now, of course, there's one thing to bear in mind. These are not the 2026 livery. This is the 2025 livery that was shown off at Ford's HQ in Melbourne when the announcement was made between 888 and Ford. So it's a hybrid of last year's livery on the Mustang. Still looks amazing. Definitely would need to be in your collection if you're a 888 or a Ford fan. So there we have it, our first announcement and release of 2026. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel and all our socials to keep up to date with everything we're doing. As usual, YouTube's going to be fairly big for us this year. We've got role models coming back. We'll continue doing these unboxings. We might have a few other bits and pieces lined up as well. So as I say, like and subscribe. Make sure you catch all our videos as we roll through 2026.